Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Immersion Blender. This is a 1000-watt anti-scratch 3-in-1 head blender. This has 12 speed and it is stainless steel. Alright, so today we've got our 3-in-1 handheld immersion blender. This one does have 12 speed, 1000 watt. It is an anti-scratch, so it comes with a whisk, a milk frother, as well as a blender. So this is a pure copper motor, high-low power modes. It's got speed control. They do offer it in several different colors. This one here is a silver. They offer it in red, blue, and black. So first off, in the box, we do get the blender. We're just going to put that to the side. It does use a standard 110. So right here is the milk frother. So you do have an adapter for doing your milk frothing. And then we have the whisk. So when you want to whisk anything, you do have that included. They also have the blender part. So this is compared with other 300 to 500 motors. This one here has a 100-watt motor, and it's 304 stainless steel with a 4-tip blade. It has a food grade stainless steel blades with materials that is good oxidation resistance, and it can stand up to temperatures with high. It is used in hot soups. So here's the instructions manual. It does basically tell you how to put it together, which is super easy. All you got to do is put the adapter on the top, and then you could put the extension. So this is the adapter top that goes on to the top of the motor. It just sits right in there, and then you put the whisk or the milk frother into that, so you won't have to use that when you're actually using the blender part. So this right here is where you'll put the adapter on, and this is where you lock it and unlock it. So we'll grab the other adapter, which right here will just fit right in there, and it should lock into place. And then you'll put your milk frother or your whisk right up in there. So we're just going to put the whisk and it'll lock in place right here. Just push down really hard, and then it should lock. And then when you want to take it off, you just twist it sideways and then twist it off. So right here, same thing, just put it in there and it's ready to go. So when you want to use the actual blender part, you will take this piece off and just connect the blender to where this adapter is at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece off. So the piece is super easy to put on and off. This one right here, the adapter, that gets taken off by the 2 buttons right here on the side. That's actually locks in place. So you're going to remove this to put the blender adapter on. And again, on the side, it has the holes right here. You just push that right in there and it should lock in place. And then you're ready to go. So right here you have the power mode, and then you also have your modes, and then the very top you do have your speeds. It goes all the way from 1 to 12. This is a standard 110 plug, and then you just pop it off when you're done. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to connect this all, and I'm going to use it to cut up some blueberries. So we'll be back once we get the blueberries ready to go. Alright, so we have the power on and we've got some blueberries in the bowl. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this up. I actually had to put it in a cup, so I'm going to add some milk because it was spinning everywhere. So it has 12 different speeds. This was actually great for making milkshakes, soups, jams, or baby food. I actually purchased this immersion blender just so I can make homemade soaps. So when you need a blender, this homemade immersion one is a really nice one. You can see that it's cutting up the blueberries really nice, and it's making it more of a milkshake. I like the fact that the blender is detachable and washable. The accessories can be immersed in water or it can be placed in the dishwasher. So if you're looking for an immersion blender with a very powerful motor, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one did have frozen blueberries, but it's cutting through it really nice. I like the fact that you get a total of 3 attachments. You get the blender, milk frother, and you also get a whisker. So I definitely say I would recommend this. You can see it does have 12 speeds at the top. This was purchased just to make some homemade soap, but this goes beyond that. It actually works for everything else. You can see that I've got my blueberries into a more like a blueberry shake. So I definitely say check this one out. This one is definitely worth a try.